I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. Welcome back to Health Talk. Again, we're streaming live on the web at www.tvchannel19.com. I'm here with Kathy Machunas, our favorite life coach. Kathy, when did you move from the school environment to a private practice? How did that happen?
It was a little over a year ago, and I have to tell you a little bit something on the personal side. I have twins, and one of my twins has a learning disability. Because of the learning disability, he never felt really confident socially, and I always wanted to have a service like this for him. And at that time, it was very difficult to find anyone who had a life coaching practice or a Skills for Success type of program. So I promised myself that I would want to do this in my retirement, and that was my motivation for starting my teen program. I also realized that by helping adults and the parents of these children, that I would also be helping the teens.
And how old are your twins now?
They're 20 years old, and they're successful juniors in college.
Now, we discussed the fact that I have twin granddaughters.
That's right.
And Anna and Morgan couldn't be more alike. One likes blue, one likes purple, one's got curly hair, one has straight hair, one likes to dress up as a little girl, the other one is happy to run around in shorts and a t-shirt. It's fascinating to me, the twin thing, how they can be so different. Your daughter doesn't have any of these issues?
Well, it's very interesting that you bring that up. She was the outgoing one in the beginning, and my son was very shy. And now, just when you think you figure your twins out, they like to change roles on you,
Okay.
Just to keep things exciting.
And
so now my son is a little more outgoing, my daughter is a little shyer, and I think it'll all balance out in the end.
It probably will. Mm-hmm. Tell me how you get, or do you get parents involved in these situations?
Well, sometimes when a parent wants me to coach their child, I'll talk to them about their situation, and I'll talk to them about having a few sessions themselves.
By themselves or with their child?
By themselves, because I do work with adults on parenting issues, their own relationships, their self-esteem, their life-work balance. And I think if you have those things in balance, it helps you to be a better parent, and it helps you guide your child.
Got it. Now, do you have programs for adults alone?
Yes, I do. And adults who are not parents may want to have some guidance in professional issues, in finances, their own life-work balance, dating issues, if they're out in the dating world, wellness, spiritual issues. So anything that's a concern for them, I can help them identify their goals and get them to be where they want to be.
Interesting. So if somebody wanted to get in touch with you,
Mm-hmm.
they want to visit with you, tell us where they can find you, give us a telephone number, give us a website.
Mm-hmm. The best phone number would be 954-294-9708.
And you're located where?
In Coral Springs, but I travel. I'm very flexible, and I have an office in Coconut Creek a couple of times a week. Sometimes I coach via Skype. If they want more information about my practice and what it's all about, I'm at www.connectinginc.net. I have a Facebook page, www.facebook.com/connectinginc, and I post a blog, and I post different posts every day that are related to the blog, tips for positive living, and you'll get to know me a little bit more through that.
How young would you see a child?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know
Uh-huh.
that there's an issue?
Right.
Well, when do you know?
A lot of times parents can tell when they're very young, and they want to see if they're going to grow out of it. Most of the children I work with are middle school, high school, and college students. If they have a child that's younger, I can also guide them. If I feel like I can't work with them for any reason, I'm a great resource. I'm, connected with a lot of different professionals that work with younger children.
No, but also psychologists or psychiatrists or things like that if they need that help.
Absolutely. And I do turn away clients if I feel that the situation warrants something beyond coaching.
Well, the true professional knows what they can do and what they can't do and when they need help. Again, this is Dr. Kenny Levine. We'll be back in a moment with Health Talk, again streaming live on the web at www.tvchannel19.com. We'll see you in a moment. Thank you.
When you're smiling,
First impressions are priceless.
I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. For the past 37 years, we've been helping patients of all ages restore their smiles. Today, with modern technology and lasers, we're able to treat infants of 7 days old. We treat their parents. We help them not only keep their teeth, but restore function for the rest of their lives.
Call 954-603-7109.